Alright guys, let's jump right into it. So I'm starting with the spoolie and I'm brushing my eyebrow hairs in the front up and in the end I'm brushing them down. Now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil, I'm getting the tail of my brow and I'm also drawing that in a downward diagonal shape. And that's the part of the brow that you want to be the darkest. Now when you get towards the front of your brow, you want to lighten just a little bit with the pencil, but you do want this part to be the straightest. So you see that I'm getting like a straight line effect with the front of my brow on the top and the bottom. And then going down and drawing diagonal at the tail of the brow. And keeping it dark down there because you want it to be pointed and just pop and arch. And now I'm filling in the front, and you want to be super light in the front. You want it to have a really good gradient effect in the front of your brow. So again, I'm doing the same thing. That straight brow in the front, slanted down in the back. And that's how you create a great arch effect in your brows. You definitely want to start by drawing the outsides first and then going back in and filling in that hair, just so you can make sure that you don't mess up or draw your brows on too dark or anything like that. See how I go back in and fill it in? And then you go back and take your spoolie, do the same thing. The front of your brow needs to go up, the end of your brow needs to go down. And this just to make sure all of our hairs are kept in place. Now I'm jumping on in there with some concealer with the eye concealer brush. And I'm just going right under the brows again and drawing the same way. And this is just what's going to make your brows look like they're freshly done. And I'm just going to speed this clip up of me blending out the concealer and me doing my next eyebrow because it's the same concept. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end. I do the same thing on the top and blend it on out. This is perfect brows. Thanks for watching.